hope you guys are doing well and have had a nice weekend and start to your week. I would like to take a few minutes and go over the mock interview, the professional interview that we'll be doing, and talk to you about how to work with your partner on that. So basically, this project's going to have you act as an interviewer and an interviewee for a job. And you have already kind of noted the job that you would like to apply for. So you and your partner will just need to make sure that you are sharing all the information along the way, so that you can help one another make questions. So we're doing this in kind of 4 parts. The first we've already done, research and job description. So you've kind of done that process and found what you want to interview for. We're going to be working on cover letters and resumes. We're also going to be working on behavioral interviewing and looking at how to do an interview agenda for this type of interview, and then also as an interviewee, how do you respond to these types of questions. So we're going to be looking at those, and then also we'll do the mock interview, and I'll talk about that in just a second. So basically, you'll have 30 minutes with your partner to make a video of you guys doing this interview. And so the way it's going to work is you will record yourself, and we can use Blackboard Collaborate to do that. There's a feature in Blackboard. You can also record a Google Hangout session. You can use your phone to record yourself on your computer as you're talking. There's lots of different ways that we can do this. If you want to meet your partner face-to-face, you can do that and you record yourselves that way. However you would like to do that. But you're not required to meet face-to-face. So you'll record yourself with your partner. And the first time, one person will be the interviewer and one person will be the interviewee, and then you'll switch roles. And so you'll have an opportunity to do both. And so your interviews themselves should last about 15 minutes. And I know that this is not truly reflective of how a job interview would go, but it will give you an opportunity to create this agenda and ask different types of questions. So you'll do your mock interview. You'll demonstrate it in that way over video. From the interviewee perspective, you just need to have the job description, the resume, and the cover letter turned in. And then from the interviewer's perspective, we're going to make a list of behaviors and skills that you use to identify your questions, and then also your interview agenda. Now, your mock interview needs to include the following: a clear opening that builds rapport and reduces uncertainty. You've practiced that with your networking interview. At least 2 traditional interview questions, and we'll talk about what a traditional interview question looks like, but it's typically, tell me about your resume, tell me about your strengths, your weaknesses, that type of thing. And then at least 3 behavioral interview questions, and these are questions that encourage your interviewee to tell a story. You could say, this position requires that you deal with a lot of work under pressure. Tell me about a time when you had to work under pressure and what was the outcome. And so you want that person to tell a story. So as the interviewer, you'll have 2 traditional interview questions and at least 3 behavioral interview questions. And then as the interviewee, we're going to learn 2 methods for answering interview questions. And you'll be also graded on those and how well you use that process. You'll also need a closing that defines next steps, appropriate nonverbal behavior, appropriate dress, and I know if you're on video from the waist up, and there may be times when you have to do a virtual interview. I know more people that are having to do that, and so you want to make sure that you look nice, on the camera. So keep that in mind. And we'll also want to talk about the EEOC guidelines and what's legal and illegal questions to ask. Upon completion of the mock interview, you will do a post-interview reflection, and you'll post that before class ends. This is the rubric, so these are all the things that you'll be graded on as an interviewer. The opening, the traditional and behavioral interview questions, and the closing, and then the interviewee. Do you greet the person appropriately? The responses using the STAR or PAR method, closing the interview, and appropriate nonverbal behavior, and then the self-reflection. So this is just an overview of the assignment. We'll be going over it more, and I can answer any questions between you and your partner specifically if you have them. If you have a group of 3, which I think we may have one group, I believe, that's a group of 3, I will email you individually and kind of talk to you about how to handle that. But anyway, so this is the assignment. This is usually really a lot of fun and definitely very useful for those of you that want to go into a career of interviewing people, but also for everyone who